Welcome back everyone, Mariah Monetize here. Happy Thursday. In today's video, I'm going to be transferring $100,000 from Kraken over to Vauld to earn that 12.68% interest on USDC. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can earn that. Vauld right now is basically the best place to store your USDC when it comes to earning interest. It is definitely leading the way. People ask me all the time, which platform is the best when it comes to Celsius, Nexo, Vauld, BlockFi. They all are good in different ways. It really depends on what action you're looking for when determining which platform is the best for you. And that's why I personally have funds spread out amongst all these different platforms. And then we're also going to be getting into a Bitcoin price review. And I'm going to be sharing with you exactly the price that I believe Bitcoin must holds, or else I believe it's going to break significantly below that. So I'm going to be sharing that opinion with you guys today. So I'm going to just show you exactly what I'm doing here. I am going to be withdrawing from Kraken and I'm sending over 95,444 USDC over to Vauld. So I'm going to go ahead and deposit here into my Vauld account. I'm going to deposit. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I'm going to go ahead and label that. Add with address. Okay. So what I'm going to do over here is go ahead and approve that. Confirm that address. Address approved. So this is one thing you really want to actually remember. On Celsius, when you add a new address, okay, they're going to send you an email. Opening the email doesn't verify the address. You have to then click again once the new web page opens up. I made that mistake the other day and I had to wait an extra day for my withdrawal. So make sure you are paying full attention. So I'm going to go ahead and select my address here. All right, taking a little bit long. I'm having a really hard time seeing right now because I'm having an allergic reaction in my eyes. So please bear with me. All right, so I have selected the address. I want to do 100% of my funds. You can see here the withdrawal fee on Kraken is $20. And so that is something to keep in mind. Kraken has like one of the lowest trading fees, but their withdrawal fees are not the best. Okay, there's definitely better. It's free to withdraw from Celsius, but I plan on holding these funds in Vauld for quite some time and just earning that very easy passive income. So let's go ahead and withdraw that amount of USDC. I'm going to double check the address to make sure that it is indeed accurate. And I believe it is. So I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that amount. A withdrawal has been successfully submitted. So honestly, Vauld, like I said, is one of the best when it comes to rates on stablecoins. So you can see over here on Vauld.com, over here on rates, when it comes to USDC, 12.68%. And that is because I am locking up my coins for 30 days. And you can see here 9.41% is the amount that you're going to be earning if you're not locking up your coins. So once my coins come in, I have to make sure to basically come over here. And I actually have to do this regularly because with the referral program, I'm constantly wanting to put the money that I'm making from referrals into the fixed deposit account to make more interest. So I just did this the other day, but I just had about $40 free of Ethereum come in from the referral program. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on auto renew. So I'm going to go ahead and create that fixed deposit. And I'm going to do the same exact thing when my USDC comes in. But I actually think I might have a little bit of USDC already in here because this is from yesterday. I earned $7.94 of USDC. So auto renew. And then down here, create that fixed deposit. So Vauld does take a little bit more time if you're someone that's earning referrals or constantly basically putting money into your Vauld account to make sure to lock it up basically. So you could see over here when it comes to my wallet, I have my wallet here and then there's fixed deposits over here. And you could see here what I just said is 0% completed and then all the ones that I did a couple days ago. So I basically have all these coins because I earned them from the referral program. You see that they're 10% completed and then you can opt out at any time. So what I also wanted to show you is the referral program. It's very different than the other ones. This is one excellent way to make money in cryptocurrency to grow your portfolio by sharing this platform with other people if you're having a positive experience. So you can see here I've had 239 referrals. Thank you for everyone that signed up thus far. If you haven't yet, make sure to use my link down below. And you can see I've earned about $1,300 in referrals, and I started, I think, recommending this in February. So it's a little bit of a different program. You're not making like a certain amount per person. You basically make a small percentage of the interest that other people are earning. So like I said, if you want to go and check out my link, it is down below. So Vauld has been a positive experience for me. When I did get SIM swapped, I shut down my account. It did take a long time to go through the verification process. But what's cool about Vauld is they also have something called this AIP. So basically, it's like this automatic investment plan where you can buy like bundles of different cryptocurrency that are like together. So that's kind of cool. Like, you know, they have different categories, decentralized everything, the best of crypto with just Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I like how they named it the best of crypto because I'm pretty much right there with them on having that opinion there. So enough on Vaulds. Like I said, it's been a positive experience thus far, and I'm really looking forward to earning that 12.68% on my USDC. So over here to the Bitcoin charts, all right? This is a weekly chart, which is something that I constantly am looking at. There's a few things that are happening here. Excuse me, that's not the weekly chart. This right here is the weekly chart. That was a daily chart. Okay, so I do not want to see this green moving average cross below the red. And it has changed its direction a little bit. I do not want to see that crossover. That would not be good. I really need to see this weekly candle start trading above the high of last week's weekly candle, okay? The high of last week's candle is 48,240. I need to see that start trading above, or I might get slightly concerned. This is obviously a resistance point, this 200 DMA, okay? So I want to see Bitcoin break that if it continues in a bullish direction, but I do not want to see Bitcoin fall below these moving averages which are at about like 41.5 approximately. So I do not want to see Bitcoin start trading below that amount. The daily chart really doesn't look all that great. Kind of the same thing here. I don't want to see it go start trading below about 41.5. So I don't like to see obviously this red 2 trading below the red 1, and then now this green 3, this red 3 is trading below the previous red 2. So maybe just a short pullback, but we need to see Bitcoin have some more bullish action here rather quickly, because I'm definitely getting slightly concerned when it comes to that daily chart. So we've had this pullback here on the 12-hour. It looked like we're jumping up here a little bit, but we still need to make a higher high and see Bitcoin go above like 47.5. So obviously Bitcoin showing some weakness, but correlating with traditional stock markets today. This right here is the 4-hour, which is trending downwards. It really doesn't look too good. This is a 1 hour here, which it might be giving us some hope, but let's go ahead and take a little bit of a closer look here. So I want to see, so this candle right here almost started trading above the high of this candle, but it didn't. It fell a little bit short, but we still have a few more hours left to see Bitcoin start trading above the high of this candle right here, which is 43,908. That would be a positive sign on the 1 hour chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute chart to see what it's up to. 30-minute chart, not looking terrible, but this right here making a lower high. I would have liked to see Bitcoin make a higher high on the 30-minute, but it failed to do that over the last few hours. As soon as I saw crypto up today, I mean, I didn't really have to look at traditional markets to know that, okay, SPY is probably up today. And indeed, SPY is up today. This is a daily chart here, which actually looks like it might be completing soon, you know, this pullback, and hopefully it'll continue to make a higher high. I would love to see a crossover here, this green crossing over the red, and I would love to see this candle start trading above that one, but it would technically have to do that, I believe, by tomorrow, because I'm assuming that's how markets work when it comes to traditional markets that only trade Monday through Friday and not on the weekends. But to be honest with you, I've actually never taken a deeper dive. I'm not even really sure if the candles are like 5 days technically or 7 days. I would have to take a little bit of a deeper dive. Well, let's see. This one shows March 24th, and this one shows April 4th. So it actually might be a little bit different structured versus the cryptocurrency space. So yeah, it's how traditional markets are doing today. Let's go ahead and take a quick look over here at Tesla. Tesla is up today. Tesla looking good. I think Tesla is going to make people a lot of money if you're currently invested in Tesla. This right here is a weekly chart, and it looks pretty darn good. It is going to be contesting here basically previous all-time highs that came in November of 2021. So I'm really curious to see what's going to happen, if we're going to get a double top or if we're going to see Tesla just go absolutely insane. I think Tesla is going to potentially go absolutely insane. Let's take a quick look at marijuana stocks. Marijuana stocks are deep down in the tanks. Whoa, Tilray down 10% today. That is pretty darn ugly. When will marijuana stocks see capitulation? I'm not sure, but they have been deeply, deeply depressed for an extended period of time. So back over to the cryptocurrency space, everything is up across the board, a few percentages. We have Ethereum at $3,200, and this is the good news, is that the Ethereum weekly chart looks nice. This week's candle has already started trading above the high of last week's candle, which I definitely love to see. So Ethereum is probably going to continue leading the way, probably because of the upgrade. So across the board, we're seeing a lot of green here in the cryptocurrency space, which is nice, but we need continuation and we need it badly. So hopefully tomorrow the stock market opens up green and cryptocurrency will follow and then continue that momentum throughout the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get started with Vauld, I have that link down below. That is all that I have for you today, as I go out there and create a portfolio that you love.